Hello guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you will decide to become a part of the family by hitting that subscribe button and turning on your notification bell. Okay, so I have the Morphe X Lucky Charms palette. We are going to do a look with this today, and you are definitely going to want to hear my thoughts on it. Ready? Let's do it! It's magically delicious. Do you guys remember that commercial? Okay, here she is. First look. Haven't even swatched her yet. Wanted to share her with you guys. And because it's a new palette, we will be doing eyeshadow before doing foundation. So we need some MAC paint pot. Yes. MAC paint pot. This is a Luxie large shader. I used the shade Bare Study for my eyeshadow primer. I've literally had this forever. I haven't used it up yet. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see. Hearts, cereal milk. Okay. What should we do, guys? Like, let me see if I can hear you through the camera. Go with the greens? Do you think the greens? Alright, we're going to start off with hearts, which looks really strange because the outside of it is pink and the inside of it is another color. That's like weird. I'm actually going to take like a close-up of this for you guys because this is weird.
Ring of pink around it.
It's weird. Alright, now we'll dip her in. It is a matte shadow and I don't see anything. What? Okay. Are you kidding me? Please don't be dry. Oh my gosh, no. That happened in that last palette that I had. Okay, we're just gonna move on. Yeah, definitely gonna do that. Okay, we've got Playful. Let's start off with Playful. She's pretty. Look at her. I did not pick up the Natasha Denona pastel palette because pastels really don't look good on me unless I'm super tan. And they're just not my vibe. Alright, so transition. This is what we're using. This is definitely a pretty color. It does feel a little dry. Need a blending brush. This is a Jacqueline times Morphe brush. Let's see, get this down. Okay, let's see what else we want to go in with. Oof, the leprechaun green. That green would be too crazy for me. That's just not going to work. Let's just put a little bit more of this since basically I swiped it all away. Yeah, I swiped it all away, guys. We are going to need a crease brush. And this Complex Culture one works really well. So we're going to do that. We're going to go in with Enchanted Forest. And I'll try to put the colors on the screen for you. But we're going to go right in the crease and a little bit above the crease. And just focus on that area right here. If you guys are new at doing eyeshadow, let me know. It helps me plan my future videos and tutorials. So, okay. I know all my green ladies are going to be loving this. Okay. Yes, let's get that nice and dark. Okay, I decided to do my foundation, powder, and stuff like that. because there really wasn't any fallout. Now watch, I said that, right? Come out. All right, so let's go ahead and grab my complex cauldron. No, I don't want that one. And because I need something that's going to spread out a little bit more to go ahead and blend. So, and that's really for the crease, which was helpful when I needed to get my crease dark. But now I need something like this guy. You guys know I like circular motions when I'm blending out my crease. I will occasionally do swipes if I need to. It's just, all right, so I do like the green. I'm happy we went with the green today. Thank you. Appreciate that. Okay. You will be noticing that I did do my makeup differently today. There's a reason for it. Okay, now we need some shimmers. We need some darkness and then some lightness. And I'm kind of wanting some Lucky Charms. All right, Clever. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. And then we have Charmed. I don't know which one to do. Let's go into Charmed. And, ooh, okay. I like that. Ah! I should have known. Shimmers are the ones that do create the fallout. Okay, we're gonna go a little bit in the crease, a little bit above the crease because this bitch has hooded eyes. Ew. Alright. I don't like to put on translucent powder underneath my eye because over 40, it's not always your friend. Alright. Where did I get this powder from? Ugh. Okay. Yeah. Well, hoping this will do the trick. Look at this. This is beautiful. Ooh, I like. It's nice and sparkly too. Yeah, I'm okay with that. We need more setting spray. Okay. Yep, this is why I wear t-shirts. Things can get messy. All right, pat in. If you have hooded eyes, don't be afraid. Grab like a taupe color, something that's close to your skin, and create above the crease. Because if you do something like with color, if you're used to color, or you're not used to color rather, it's going to be like, you know? Like I'm used to doing my eyebrows different and I changed the shape of them today. And I was like, at first, okay. All right, we got blend. So circular motions. Oh man, the fallout. Okay. I really do like that. Of course, I'll have to fix a little bit and get rid of that fallout. Okay, so I'm like, I've got like these pot of gold unicorn. I like unicorn, but I'm gonna have to go in like right here. This is a shimmer, but this here's probably glittery, and I'm thinking that I'm gonna need this in order for this to pop. Yeah, see how we can. All right, so we pat this in. A little bit above. Now, go in with Unicorn, my other finger. The whole purpose for doing the cut crease is to have that nice line, but it's because you want lighter in order to really see the colors. Yes. Okay, need to catch up with the other eye. Okay, I did my lower lash line. I swoop away that stuff, and I could still see a little bit of the fallout, but that's okay. Grab a pencil brush or pointed brush or something close to it. You're going to want your setting spray, of course, and you're going to dip it into that color you put up here. Very gently. All right, you're going to want a large shader brush or a sweeper brush. I call it something like this, but not something that doesn't have any color on it. Ha, this one. This is another Luxie. Yeah. Okay. Smoke that out and kind of clean this up a little bit. I like. Okay, brow bone highlights. Okay guys, so this is my finished look. I so want your opinions down in the comments below. Okay, so I've got to talk about this palette. $22, and I'm really confused with this here. And I have another channel, Swatch Investigator, where I do just swatches. I'm thinking you guys might want to check that out. Because I don't know how these are going to work. They feel some of them feel kind of dry. I don't know. So anyhow, honey, you got all wet. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really do appreciate you guys. The palette is $22. I cannot say I recommend it right now. But if you have any questions, put them down in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them for you. And I will link Swatch Investigator just in case you want to check that out. Thanks, guys. I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye.